Hello everyone, this is Lelia from Rinpac. Are you still worrying about how to make your product stand out from the crowd? Custom Coffee Mylar bags equipped with a one-way degassing valve that releases CO while blocking oxygen, moisture and light. Available in stand-up, flat or side-gusseted styles. Choose matte, gloss or craft paper exterior. Add a clear window to showcase your roast. Customize with full color print, foil accents embossing, or a matte soft touch finish. Add a hang hole, tear notch, and resealable zipper for freshness. Resealable zipper locks in aroma after every use. The degassing valve ensures your coffee stays fresh, never stale. Custom Coffee Mylar Bags, freshness sealed, flavor released. For more questions, please feel free to contact me. We'll be right here waiting for you. Thank you for watching. See you next time.